Okay, today we're gonna try to take out these gauges and to replace the light bulb. So first you have to remove the radio from the dash, and with that removed you can kind of reach down and actually feel the sleeves, because the air conditioning and the whatnot switches are kind of blocking the way. You kind of have to remove them as well. So there's a screw here that you have to undo with the Phillips, and a screw over there. I'm trying to be very careful so I don't drop them. Oh no! Come on! I think I have to put down the camera a bit. Alright, it's out. Okay, as you can see there are two little tabs up right here. So you gotta unfasten that and then push the... Actually, you have to lift these and push up. So I'm also gonna need both hands for this. Ah. Stick your hand in, and you're just gonna do a jar. Feel the bumps, and it's gonna take a lot of pressure, but it's like opening a jar. Come on. There we go. So once you undo the sleeve, undo the sleeve thing, so the gauge will come out like that, yeah? So in the back of the gauge, there's this thing, which is the light bulb, and that will just wiggle out. So let me put the camera down again. So wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. And connected to that is a light bulb, which will also wiggle out. Wiggle. So as you can see, it's a small mini bulb. OEM spec is 12 volts and 2 watts, but finding one will be extremely difficult. The closest one I found was 13.5 volts and 3 watts at AutoZone, and I think even my dealership doesn't have 12 volts and 2 watts. So once you find the correct bolts, put it in and put it back in the gauge, and I guess just turn on the lights, and hopefully it doesn't get super hot where it will melt the plastic. But 12 volts and 2 watts is ideal. I guess 12 volts and 3 watts would be close enough. And yeah, that's about it. You just put everything back together and that'll do it. So this one, when you put back together, there are these little legs right here at the bottom. So it's obvious that you put those legs in the hose first, and then you will snap them back in. And alright, that's about it. Well, also, if you manage to open one and the other one is stuck, one of the things you can do is, or your hand is back there, undoing it, your other hand could hold a screwdriver. And kind of, with a longer one's ideal, but the only one I have here for demonstration is the short one. But you can grab the screwdriver and press down simultaneously while your hand is kind of opening the jar in the back, and that will also help with stuck ones. So